The biggest Ibotta mistake is claiming offers after shopping. The highest earners check the app before they buy, because that's where most of the extra cashback gets decided. By the end of this, you'll know 6 ways to earn more on Ibotta, how to stack cashback correctly, and how to stop missing easy rewards. Start with the most important one: activate offers before checkout. Ibotta requires you to add many offers before you shop. If you skip this step, the receipt might not count. Make checking offers part of your shopping routine. Second is in-stack store sales with Ibotta offers. This is where real savings build. If a product is already discounted in-store and Ibotta has cashback on it, you're stacking savings on top of rewards. That makes each purchase more efficient. Third is in combine Ibotta with cashback cards. Pay with a rewards credit card. That adds another layer. Store sale plus Ibotta plus card rewards is one of the easiest 3-way stacks. Now the faster point-building strategies. Quiz-linked loyalty accounts. Many stores let you connect loyalty accounts directly to Ibotta.d. That means purchases can track automatically without uploading receipts. Watch for bonuses. Ibotta often runs streaks or completion bonuses based on how many offers you redeem. These matter because they reward consistency, not just individual items. ROI. ISE. Unnen. Some categories like groceries, household items, and personal care often have more cashback opportunities than others. Checking these first makes your shopping list work harder. Here's where most people waste money. They buy random cashback items they don't actually need. That cancels out the reward. The better move is simple. Start with your normal shopping list. Match it against active Ibotta offers. Then stack with store sales and card rewards. That keeps your spending controlled and your cashback higher. Quick recap. Best first step: activate offers before shopping. Best stacking move: combine store sales with Ibotta. Best automatic method: link loyalty accounts. Best bonus strategy: complete streak offers. The practical next step is simple. Before your next grocery trip, open Ibotta. Build your shopping list around active cashback offers, and pay with a rewards card. That one habit makes a bigger difference than chasing random deals. If this helped you get more cashback from money you're already spending, like the video and subscribe for more.